Ayurveda is a traditional holistic healing. Translated from Sanskrit, Ayurveda means the science of life. Yor means life and Veda means science. India system which largely depends on plant support to form major chunk of its medicine. Most of the herbs, spices, seeds, roots, leaves, stems, petals and flowers are deeply ingrained in all Indian homes where home remedies are popular. Even certain family members in some family are adept in curing even intricate disorders by simple and cost-effective formulations which, at times, have shown marvelous and astounding results. Common herbs used in Ayurvedic medicines: amalaki, amla or Indian gooseberry or Emblica officinalis. The fruit is reputed to have the highest content of vitamin C of any natural occurring substance in nature. It maintains balance amongst three dosas and effectively controls digestive problems, strengthens heart, normalizes cholesterol, prevents cancer, builds up and sustains defense mechanism, improves eyesight and detoxifies the body. Amla is said to have 20 times more vitamin C than orange. The vitamin C content of amla is between 625 mg to 1814 mg per 100 grams. Other studies show that amla increases red blood cell count and hemoglobin. A research team discovered that when amla is taken regularly as a dietary supplement, it counteracts the toxic effects of prolonged exposure to environmental heavy metals, such as lead, aluminium and nickel. Ashwagandha, winter cherry or Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha is one of the main herbs for promoting ojas and rejuvenating the body in Ayurveda. It is a well-known semen promoter and it treats impotency and infertility. Clinical studies show that ashwagandha has antibacterial, antitumor, anti-inflammatory and immunomodulating properties. The strong anti-stress actions, increases memory and learning capabilities. It has also found to be useful in rheumatic and arthritic disorders like pain, swelling etc. Summing up, it is a strong aphrodisiac and has immunomodulating, anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor and anti-stress properties which clearly shows why Ayurveda has such a high opinion of this herb as a general tonic. Arjuna, Terminalia arjuna, it is a cardiac tonic of high quality. Terminalia arjuna is known to be beneficial for the treatment of heart ailments since 500 BC. Clinical research has indicated its usefulness in relieving anginal pain, and in the treatment of coronary artery disease, heart failure, and possibly hypercholesterolemia. Terminalia arjuna bark extract, 500 mg 8 hourly, given to patients with stable angina with provocable ischemia on treadmill exercise, led to improvement in clinical and treadmill exercise parameters as compared to placebo therapy. Results on clinical research conducted. Improvement of cardiac muscle function and subsequent improved pumping activity of the heart seem to be the primary benefits of Terminalia arjuna. Brahmi, Bukapa, Gatacola. Brahmi is known as the food for brain. Traditionally Brahmi is used as a mental tonic, to rejuvenate the body, as a promoter of memory and as a nerve tonic. It promotes a calm, clear mind, and improves mental function. Modern research claims that Brahmi improves memory and helps overcome the negative effects of stress. Brahmi is especially suitable for students as it enhances the mind's ability to learn and to focus, and for an elderly person hoping to regain their memory. It is unique in its ability to invigorate mental processes whilst reducing the effects of stress and nervous anxiety. As a nervine tonic, Brahmi has been used to help those affected by stroke, nervous breakdown or exhaustion and attention deficit disorder. The best Ayurvedic brain and memory formulas contain Brahmi, as do many of the long life promoting compounds. Gugulu, Shuddha Gugulu, Gugul, Comifera Mukul. Modern research shows that it is the prime Ayurvedic herb for treating obesity and high cholesterol. Studies shows that Gugulu lowers serum cholesterol and phospholipids, and that it also protects against cholesterol-induced atherosclerosis. Gugulu were seen to lower body weight in these clinical studies. Gugulu also has anti-inflammatory properties and is effective in treating arthritis and other joint pains. Kerala, bitter melon, bitter gourd, Momordica trantia. At least 3 different groups of constituents have been reported to have blood sugar lowering actions in bitter melon. These include a mixture of steroidal saponins known as TRAN, insulin-like peptides, and alkaloids. Scientific studies have consistently shown that bitter melon lowers blood sugar level of type 2 diabetes. It could probably reduce the patient's intake of antidiabetic drugs. Also, bitter melon has 2 proteins which are thought to repress the AIDS virus. Recently, the Department of Health in the Philippines has recommended bitter melon as one of the best herbal medicines for diabetic management. Neem, Azadirachta indica. Neem is an extraordinary blood purifier, good for all skin diseases like acne, eczema, psoriasis and teeth and gums. Neem is included in most Ayurvedic skin products because it is as effective on an external application as through internal indigestion. In Ayurveda it has been safely used for over 5,000 years and are a good immunity booster to prevent colds, fevers, infections and various skin diseases. Shilajit, mineral pitch, asphaltum. Shilajit is one of the prime Ayurvedic compounds for rejuvenating the body. It is an aphrodisiac, anti-aging herb and to treat diabetes and debilitating urinary problems. The Trakasamhita states that a person must use Shilajit for a minimum of 1 month before starting to realize his regenerating effects. It is also used to treat impotency and infertility. It is well known that Shilajit would return the libido of people to level of teenagers. There is a folk saying by the indigenous people who live in the Himalayan region that Shilajit makes the body strong as a rock. It is an adaptogen, rasana, that helps to combat immune disorders, urinary tract disorders, nervous disorders and sexual dissatisfaction. Shalaki, Boswellia serrata, Saligago. Modern research indicate that the Boswellia herb may assist in treating joint mobility, pain, and may be a useful remedy for a variety of inflammatory diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. A recent clinical trial suggests positive effects of Boswellia serrata extract in knee osteoarthritis. Boswellia has also been found to be useful for a number of other disorders and best for treating back pain, knee pain, joint pain and arthritis. This herb has also been proposed as a possible therapy for Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Triphala, Amalaki, Bibataki, Haritaki. Triphala has got the properties of 3 famous nutrients, Amla, Haritaki and Bibataki. The advantage of this formula is that it is milder in action and more balanced than any of the 3 alone. It has cleansing and detoxifying action. Used regularly it is good for gentle, slow detoxification of the digestive tract and then the deep tissues. It also has the ability to normalize all 3 humors with continued use. As a daily supplement, Triphala is hard to beat. That's why in India they say even if your mother leaves you, everything will be fine if you have Triphala. Tulsi, holy basil, Ocimum sanctum. Its very name holy basil certifies to its sacred nature. It is a sacred plant worshipped in many Indian homes and is a must in every Hindu's house.